Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be unboxing something that I've been very excited about for a while now. I have been searching for a new watch for a while, and I know you guys are like, don't you do knives? Yes, but you know, I do other stuff sometimes. I love the watches I have, but I unfortunately have gotten into watches, and yeah, that was mostly Nick Shabazz's fault, alongside some other people, Lev on to the Knife Nuts podcast, and 3 or 4 other people. You guys know who you are. But they also helped me select this, so I'm pretty excited. These are available right now, and pretty good looking if I, you know, if my opinion matters to you. I'm going to show you here in a sec. They're linked right down below, so you can check them out if you want. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I have not been into this box yet. I'm just going to... Does it come up like this? Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I have a specific aesthetic that by the way, so this is a Swiss automatic diver, and it says $725. I got this for $640, which is probably around the lower end that you're going to be seeing these in. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So they come in a lot of different colors, but the moment that I laid eyes on the all gray version, this is a ceramic bezel, sapphire. No, I'm not a watch guy. I'm so sorry. I'm not a watch guy. The crystal, not the crystal, the sapphire face, right? And then this is the upgraded or the newer version that has apparently a milled clasp instead of a stamped or pressed clasp. I'm not really sure. And then it has the new, I think I saw a video where they referred to this as a clamshell style bracelet. Oh, that's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So this is the Seastar, the Tissot Seastar 1000. Runs on a Powermatic 80, which I don't know anything about. This is not a review. I am not a watch reviewer. I'm just slowly getting into these things and kind of figuring out what it is that I like. And, you know, it comes from, if you're new to my channel, I have a love for the Seiko Samurai, which this is actually Nick Shabazz's old watch. But around this size, around this weight, I kind of like a bulkier watch. I like a metal band. I love the idea of a self-winding watch, the automatic movement. And I especially love the fact that these are either completely and totally water resistant or waterproof up to a certain depth. In this case, 1,000 feet. That's just something that I enjoy. I like, you know, in the summertime, just being able to jump into a pool or a lake or whatever, wherever I am. If I have my watch on, oh well, right? I like that. When I went to Vegas, I wore the Samurai in the pool, and I just loved that it didn't matter, you know? That's just something that I enjoy. I also enjoy a lot of the, you know, fixings that come along with. I'm not quite ready to spend, you guys know I regularly spend over $1,000 on pocket knives, right? I wouldn't say regularly. I regularly spend over $500 on pocket knives, periodically over $1,000. I'm climbing the ladder, but I like to learn little bits at a time. This seemed like the Tissot Seastar 1000, the upgraded version, seemed like one of the best purchases around this $600 to $700 territory. And I'm really happy to see that it's so beautiful. I'm just sort of getting all of these wrappings and things off and slowly creeping up on the point where I can actually put it on. I think what we probably need to do is get rid of that little black thing right there. The thread, anyway, is what I'm trying to say. And now I'm trying to get rid of it without... Oh, no, there, almost. Sorry. Doing this off camera and doing it with one hand. So there we go. So I don't... Well, you understand what I'm trying to say here. Anyways, pull that out of there. I'm going to just go ahead and put this on my wrist as it is. I would imagine. No, you know what? It's going to fit pretty well. Just right off the bat. I might need to adjust a little bit. I think these have micro adjusts. But yeah, this is gorgeous. This is exactly, in fact, I'm actually pretty excited that the face is bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is apparently a 42.5 or 43 millimeter. And you know, I think the Seiko Samurai is a 44 or 45. They look to be about the same. Maybe it's a little bit smaller, but you know, it's fairly, I guess, for people who like, I don't know how watch people like to have things compared. I think the band is 22 millimeters. I think, if I remember correctly, this is just an unboxing. Obviously, you know, by going to the link down in the description, if you want all of the specs and everything, you'll be able to get all the specs for this guy. But I'm pretty excited. I think it's definitely not my last watch purchase. This was kind of meant to be, you know, just another option. I now have a blue, and then I've got the black and bronze. Sorry, I'm wearing an orange t-shirt, so that's not looking great right now. The black and bronze with the Seiko King Samurai, and now I've got one that's all gray. I kind of like the darker, right? Some of the darker, or, you know, especially monochromatic. This will go with essentially anything. So yeah, I was really, you know, pumped about kind of the sword style, minute and hour hands, and just the general, like these new ones, the newer style. Apparently the numbers around the outside in the ceramic bezel are engraved instead of just painted on there, which is really cool. I think that looks nice. I also like the contrast between the brushed and the polished areas, like both here, like the case, I guess, and then also on the band. Also like the little T on the crown there. I think that looks nice. This is my first Swiss watch, and I'm excited to tiptoe into this. I am not going to become a watch channel, but you will see watches periodically. I'm very excited about this, very pleased. Fit and finish looks great. I guess the only thing I haven't done is turned this. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that feels pretty nice. I mean, I don't know what good and bad feels like when it comes to the, you know, but it's one thing that bothered me about one of my Samurais that's gone now is that it wasn't centered on top right there, but this is perfectly centered. This is beautiful. I'm very happy with it. I'll do an update video down the road, but I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. That's really all I've got for you. I don't know. Obviously, this is just me repeating what I saw when I watched some other watch videos, like leading up to. I bought it first and then watched the videos like we all do with knives. So yeah, that's all this is. I just wanted to unbox this and share this with you guys. You will see this watch a lot. I will probably wear it during reviews. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you to everybody who helped me pick this out and gave me some advice. A lot of these guys that I've been talking with know way more about watches than me, so it helped me make this decision. It made it a lot easier to make this decision, right? It's kind of scary to spend that much money on something that you don't know a lot about, but Nick and Levon, Epic Snuggle Bunny, Advanced Knife Bro, Eugene Kwan, a whole bunch of awesome people really helped me, you know, feel good about this one. So thank you very much, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.